Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Quite a friendly day, but Solana continues to grind lower. We've made lower lows, lower highs. I think at the moment Solana would still have a chance to turn around basically and to get a bit of a small rally and extension still higher. It is still possible from here. Also not entirely unlikely from here. I mean, everything is possible, but what is probable? I wouldn't rule it out because so far we only have 3 waves down of the high. Okay, we only have 3 waves down of the high, so it can still move higher from here in an extension. Okay, and it would simply have reset possibly yellow wave 4, and we could form here this yellow wave 5. That is still technically possible. However, if you look at the size of the wave 2 here, very shallow. The size of this wave 4, quite substantial. So not the most likely scenario. If we look also at the overall structure here, it would only be possible in a so-called flat structure. So to really get one more extension in this third wave that we talked about in the previous videos, wave 4 would need to be set here probably, and then it would be a so-called flat structure, a running flat, in which this was the A wave, the move up was an overshooting B wave, and the move down, well, no, it would be a WXY, and that's already rare. And then a WXY with an overshooting B wave and as a running flat in which the last leg down didn't go below the first one. Well, it's just I mean, anything is possible, right? Obviously we're looking here at smaller degree structures because of the educational aspect as well, and because a lot of you want to know what's going on there. So I give you my best view every time about the structure. I mean, it's possible. It's all I can say. It's possible. Double bottom here. Double bottoms, however, eventually rarely hold. So we'll see. It's formed lower lows. It's formed lower highs. If it now makes one more low, then we have a series of lower lows and lower highs. And with the next low, the price is likely going to get into this white target area for this correction, which is between $42.80 and $49.30, with the $46.70 level here in between. At the moment, I see the move down as a WXY structure, and in the Y wave, an A, B, C structure. Alternative interpretation would be that all of this was just an A, B, C in an A wave. We're now moving higher in a B wave, which could even overshoot. And then we come down in wave C. So, it's not going to get easier here in this structure. I can tell you if this is wave 4, then it's going to be frustrating. It's going to be frustrating. That's what a wave 4 typically is. So we're going to have to deal with fake outs to the upside. We may have to deal with unexpected twists and turns in this structure. That's just what a wave 4 is. Typically in a wave 4, the focus needs to be on capital preservation. We have a small roadmap in the membership about how to trade a wave 4 in general. In case you're interested, you can check it out in our membership. We even made a live stream about it. I can tell you it's not for beginners, and it's also not easy. And there are much better setups out there when you buy a wave 2 pullback to trade a third wave instead of trying to trade within a wave 4. But it's possible, and there are guidelines about how you can trade a wave 4 with Elliott wave. But I can tell you that the actual focus in such a wave 4 needs to be capital preservation. You don't want to get caught in the chop. So the main benefit of Elliott wave in such a correction is to understand, okay, where do the projections lead us to? That's the white box. What is actually the the main support area, which is this one here, between $34.40 and $49.50. And basically where is support? And this is down here. And we know that this is likely a wave 4. As long as we stay above $34.40, we can track the structures, but we have to understand that in any correction, the subwave structures frequently change. So short-term bearish scenario would mean that we are now in some kind of a B wave here, either within a Y wave or it's a larger ABC of wave 4. And also that wave 4 can play out in different ways. My preferred interpretation would be that this is an A wave, this is a B wave, and then we come down in wave C. So we're really only the beginning of that overall correction, even though that can produce fake outs and stuff like that. Yeah. So that's the short-term bearish scenario. Short-term bullish would be that, yeah, we reset basically wave 4, here this smaller degree wave 4, to the low that was made today. And we're getting one more extension to either $71 or 79, and then we start our wave 4. And in both scenarios, we would afterwards, after the completion of the larger degree fourth wave, we would afterwards expect a fifth wave to play out. That's my update about Solana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. On Insta and Twitter, you can find additional content every single day. And you can find our links in the video description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.